Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. Last time on the big rim build, 87 Cadillac, I worked on the stainless trim for the wheel well opening and the rocker trim because I opened up the wheel well larger. You can check that out on that video. At the end of that video, I said I was going to knock out this front rocker trim piece, and from the factory, this corner here was not there. It was just an open piece, and the stainless trim bolted here. I obviously modified this, so the stainless needed to be modified. I have both stainless pieces modified. This area here had to be bead rolled, refitted, and obviously both front corners of these fenders I needed metal because the new location for the mounting point is forward way more. Anyways, that's done. Same process as when I did this. And in the last video, I polished the front part of this, and I feel unsuccessfully. I sanded this by hand. The rest of this, you can see, it's hazy, it's ugly. I did not have the correct supplies, and now I think I do. Let me show you what's up. One more time, because if you can see, I creased this a little bit, and I hammered it and dollied it just a little bit, but I'm sure, yeah, you can see that. It needs just a little bit more work. I'm going to pull this off, get that straighter, and I'm going to start the sanding process. So this video is going to be about polishing stainless, and I got a new tool and supplies, so I'm also throw in a quick tool review. This is a Harbor Freight palm sander, Velcro attachment, right? And sanding paper off of Amazon. I got like extra interface pads. Whatever, it was a packet. It was cheaper to buy a bunch than just one. So I will be reviewing this too. This McGraw palm sander from Harbor Freight seems pretty heavy duty. It's got some weight to it for sure. 10,000 RPM, right? It's got dust collection, which I will never use. So I'm gonna just unscrew that and pull it and get it out of my way. Adjuster for the RPM right there on top, and a tool to swap out the pad, which I'll probably just throw it out if it comes to that, and just buy another one that comes with a pad, right? So I gotta put a fitting on there and hook up this stuff, start sanding on some stainless. So I've never polished stainless trim, like rocker trim, big flat pieces like this before. I've done wheel well trim, well, that one's gone, but wheel well trim, and you know, window moldings and stuff like that, small pieces that were already pretty shiny. But this here is pretty beat. If you were able to feel this, you can feel from stones hitting it, there's little minor gouges in it, and obviously discolored for sure. Probably has never been maintained. So the stuff I bought specifically for this. I do body and paint, and I did not want to use one of my body working palm sanders because from what I've researched, WD-40 is a great lubricant for the sandpaper when you're doing stainless. I also bought the cheapest variety pack of paper, 400 all the way up to 5,000. If this all works, I'll put the details in the video on who the supplier was for this, because this was really unbelievably affordable. And interface pads, I'm not going to use one to start with. I'm just going to put the paper right on the palm sander with no foam interface. I want to be able to knock this down as quickly as possible. I did clean it and run over it quickly with steel wool to get, you know, road grime and tar off of it. But I'm going to wipe this down with some WD-40, get it slick, and I'm going to start sanding and see what happens. You'll know if this is a win or a lose for sure, because this is the video, whether it's good or bad. Pieces here sanded with 400. You can see it's sanded, it's scratched, right? It's this one I haven't done yet. I'm gonna do it, right? I'm about to do all of them, but it just is crazy. I've done body work my entire life, and WD-40 on sandpaper and a DA just is like, WD-40 is the enemy of body and paint right there. They don't mix. So that was another reason why I bought a sander just for this, because it just feels like no matter how much I would degrease this and try to clean it up, I don't want this. This makes fish eyes and worse things. So it just blows me away that this is what is recommended. But I guess I'll be really blown away when it's super shiny like a mirror. I stopped recording every single step of sandpaper. It's even fast forward, this has taken quite a bit of time, I feel. But I'm at 800, finished with 800 so far. And it's still dull, obviously, but shinier than the 400. I've been using 2 pieces, so bumper to the middle of the door, 1 piece of paper, get a fresh piece, and do the front section, right? Started with 400, then 600, then 800, and now I'm going to hit it with 1,000. Tool review so far. This thing is like super smooth. I like it. It does have some weight to it, but no complaints so far. The dial, I never bump it. Like some of them have like little levers down here, and I always seem to bump them every now and then, but I like the little dial knob right there. Well, I think I'm done sanding this. I hope I'm done, because I feel like I'm done. What a greasy, oily WD-40 mess everywhere. But it is what it is. It does definitely sand better with the WD-40 on it. You can still see there's obviously sanding scratches, right? I'm hoping the polish takes it out. I sanded it to 5,000 with the paper. I thought it would look shinier. Maybe this, in this light, this one looks, got some shine to it, but I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna know as soon as I try to hit it with the polisher, but yeah, 400 to 5,000 is what I did. So it is, I'm gonna degrease it, get my polishing equipment out, and see if I'm lucky. My only reference is polishing paint, right? And clear coat. And this this seems different. I guess, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm uncertain. I'm uncertain about it. Let's get the polisher out and just go for it. Well, I said this was going to be win or lose, and this is the video, and I'm not stoked. I'm not happy. This is a smile of disgust, really. Let me show you what's up. I thought I had everything sanded. It felt like I did. And I hit this front corner here, and it's hazy. There's little sanding scratches in it. Well, I know what. I didn't sand it enough, right? That's the basic breakdown. But it looks like I missed a whole grit of paper and just skipped over it. It's still too aggressive. It's a bright haze. I'm very disappointed. I used all the paper, like I said, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to 5,000, right? And first time using this brand of paper, like I said, it was just super cheap off of Amazon. I didn't want to do a huge investment because of it's all contaminated now, right? Because of the WD-40. And when I mean contaminated is this stuff here is not going on the body shop side of the shop. It's for polishing stainless only, which is, I guess, fine because I didn't even touch this side yet. And this is still banged up, right? The one, I'm going to try to put a positive spin on this. The one win, though, is this palm sander from Harbor Freight. I used it, like really used it steady. I have, I don't know if anyone out there polishes stainless and knows how long it takes to do stainless, but I have what feels like a ridiculous amount of hours sanding this. And I obviously failed on sanding it. It's not clean enough. It's not smooth enough. It's still got sanding scratches in it. Like I look at this and I feel like I need to, I don't know, start over at 1,000 and keep going up. I mean, I hope I don't have to like go with a harder grit than 1,000, but it looks like garbage. It looks like garbage, and I'm out of time. I'm out of time. Not just for the video, but it's Wednesday, it's late, right? It's blackout again, another late night, and tomorrow morning we're leaving to go down to Dino's Get Down in Phoenix. That's like 3 hours away. I still have to do some stuff on the Blazer because we drive our shit, we don't trailer it, so I gotta do stupid, easy things, but still time consuming. I wanna check the fluids. I wanna do a quick wheel alignment on it. It feels like it's just a little bit off when I'm busting down the interstate. And what else? I don't know. They're calling for rain. Should I even bother doing a quick cleanup on it? Whatever. I gotta pack yet. And it's... And obviously, I'm talking about this right now, so this is not edited yet, so I gotta do all the editing yet. I'm disappointed, so I'm calling this a lose, not a win, and then I guess I'm calling this hopefully part one. I mean, I gotta call it part one because I got more to do here. I gotta revise the plan, I guess. Shut up and work harder. That's what I gotta do. I gotta shut up and work harder. So I don't know if anyone out there polishes and they want to drop something down in the comments, give me a good solid pep talk, because it looks like I need to sand more. And I don't know, maybe the paper don't last that long because it's a cheaper paper, maybe. I don't know. I'm not going to think about it because I got other things to think about. Like I said, I got work to do on that yet, and I got to go have fun this weekend. and there will be a video about Dino's Get Down coming shortly. So next video will be me hitting the road, hopefully in the sun and not in the rain. We're busting through the Parker Strip right now. Scenery is awesome. It's a pretty special weekend. It's my girl's birthday. I asked her where she wanted to go, and what'd she say?
I want to go to Dino's Get Down.
First time for us going to Dino's down in Phoenix. We're cruising the Blazer, cruising it, no trailers allowed. It's gonna be awesome. Come check it out with us. Well, I said I'd drive mine, no trailers. Here we are hanging out in the Walmart parking lot. Wah, wah, wah.
Got as far as Parker.
Yeah, we made it to Parker, got stuck on the side of the road, and I limped it into the parking lot, and now we're changing tires. Wires, used wire wheels ain't always the way to go. It ended up leaking out the spokes, but we're going no matter what. 6 hours later, we'll be back on the road. We're on the road finally. Here's lunch at 4 o'clock. A shitty dog from Walmart with no condiments. Damn, life is good. Well, we're still rolling. We are probably about halfway to Phoenix, and we had to stop, get this photo op right back there. We are you're now beyond hope, right? And
someone lost their knickers.
Yeah, somebody had a good time here. And I don't know if this is a good sign or not, but my spare looks like it needs some more air. Think positive. Positive thoughts only. Urgh. It's wicked dark. We made it to Sun City. Took us 9 hours from Havasu to Sun City. Usually that's a 2.5 hour drive, but we made it with my spare that used to be a full set. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content as always. Thanks.